QR code generator in Python. Before writing the code, we first need to install a library. Open the terminal in Visual Studio Code and type pip install QR code pill. This command installs the QR code library, which helps us generate QR codes. The pill part installs an image library, so Python can save the QR code as an image file. Once the installation is complete, we're ready to write the code. Now let's understand the code step by step. First, we write import QR code. This line imports the QR code library so we can use its features in our program. Next, we ask the user to enter a URL. The input function waits for the user to type something, like a website link. The strip part removes extra spaces from the beginning or end of the input just to keep it clean. After that, we define the file path. This is the location on the computer where the QR code image will be saved. Here, the file will be saved on the desktop with the name qrcode.png. You can change this path according to your own system. Next, we create a QR code object. This line prepares an empty QR code that we can add data to. Then we add the URL to the QR code. This tells Python what information the QR code should contain. After that, we generate the QR code image. Python now converts the data into a QR code image. Next, we save the image to the file path we defined earlier. At this point, the QR code image is created and saved on the computer. Finally, we print a message on the screen saying that the QR code was generated successfully. This confirms that the program ran without any errors. So now, when you run this program, it asks for a URL, creates a QR code, and saves it as an image file on your system. That's how you can generate a QR code using Python in just a few lines of code. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and follow for more simple Python projects.